Hi guys, welcome and welcome back. If this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, we are going to do an unboxing of my Caydo 3-in-1 button maker kit. Now this is gonna be interesting because I'm gonna show you what's inside the box and we're gonna do our first project with it. And so if that is something you're interested in, my ask is that you hit that subscribe button to turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified each time I make a video. Alright guys, let's get started. Okay, so I'm excited to see what is in this box. This is from Caydo. So this is from Caydo and it is a button press. Excited to see. Alright, so it comes with a manual that shows you how to assemble the different pieces and how to assemble this. Oh wow, this is a lot. Okay guys, when I tell you I was so impressed with all the items that came in this box, there were a variety of different things from brooches to keychains to shaker tags to magnetic refrigerator magnets. Oh my God, to bottle openers. When I tell you there was a lot, you had 1 inch buttons, you have 1.25-inch buttons, and the 2.25 buttons. And let me tell you, this is amazing. Okay, guys, let's look at all that came in this box. Now we have the body of the machine. This is the body of the button maker. I'm gonna take that out for you to see. So this is what the body of the looks like, and then it comes with 3 different molds. You have the 25mm mold, which is 1 inch, and then you have the 58mm, which is 2.25 inch, and then the 32, which is the 1.25 inch. It also comes with a circle cutter, which this will come in very handy when you're cutting out your circles. So it comes with a circle cutter, and then it comes with black and white plastic ring, which is these 2 rings right here, and these are used mainly for the 58mm, which is the 2.25 buttons. It comes with this assembling tool, which is used to assemble the parts of the molds to the handle. And then it came with a lot of buttons. So it came with the brooch accessory. So this is used to make brooches. This will be perfect for this graduation season. For those who are graduating, this would be perfect to make some buttons to showcase your children. It also comes with a single-sided keychain, which is 25mm. All right, so that is 1 inch. So the keychain is this one. Okay, so this is the one for the keychain. Then it comes with the shaker tag. You know, those are the ones that you put on your desk and they will move around. This is it, where this is the base of it, and then these are the buttons that you would use. So excited to do that. Then they have the refrigerator magnets. Okay, so it comes with refrigerator magnets, which is, oh, this one. This one is the refrigerator magnet. This one right here is the refrigerator magnet. And then you have the bottle openers. This one is a bottle opener. Where is it? I saw it somewhere here. See, these are the bottle openers. Wow. And this is the 58 millimeter bottle holder. So that is like so awesome. And then it came with 1 inch button, which is 25 millimeters, and there are 200 in that. So these are the smaller ones. And then it has 1.25, which is 200 of those, and then 100 2.25 millimeters, so millimeter buttons. So this is a lot that is included in this box. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how you could assemble this machine together, and then we are going to do a test press with one of these items. All right guys, so we are going to assemble it. First I'm going to take this off. This is the piece that you use to push it down, and I'm going to use the 58 millimeters. That's the one that I'm going to use first. So you assemble it based on the ones that you want to use. Okay. Throwing stuff away. Okay. So it's gonna come with. Okay. So this shows you that this is how it looks when it's pressed. Now this piece is the top mold. So this is where it goes. So this is where it goes. What you're going to do, you're going to push it in place until you hear it clicks. When you push it in place until you hear it clicks, it should be able to move slightly. Okay, so you can wiggle it slightly, ensure it is loose enough. And then to do the bottom piece, it's very easy to assemble. To do the bottom piece, what you're going to do is to slide it in. Okay, so in this area right here, you're just going to slide it in. This is side A, so it's going to tell you this is side A and this is side B. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to slide it in. Okay, so A is in. So what you're going to do in order for it to slide, you're just going to lift it here and you'll see that it moves. Okay, it's going to move, and you're going to take these two little pieces right here and then you're going to slide them inside right there. See that? Guys, we are in Cricut Design Space. This is the software we're going to use to create these pins, but you could use any software. You could use Canva, you could use Silhouette Studio. I choose to use Cricut Design Space. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to where it says shapes, and I'm going to select this circle, and this circle that I'm creating, I'm going to make that circle a 2.25 because that's the size button that I'm going to make as 2.25 size button. Now in order to do that, now you could make your buttons any size you want, but I choose to do the 2.25. Now I'm going to go up to size, and I'm going to change my size to 2.25. And it's gonna size proportionally. Okay, now that I have the size that I need, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna press upload, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the picture that I'm going to use. I'm going to click on it, Now you go to upload, right? And then you're going to click on the picture. So this is the picture that I'm going to use. This is what I'm going to use. Before I do anything, I'm going to just duplicate this circle, or you could just get another circle. I'm going to send my revival and deliverance to the back. So go to right click, go to arrange and send to back. You could do it from the top right here also where I'm hovering. Okay, and this circle I'm going to just stretch it out so that it covers the word. Ensure that it's covered, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the bottom where it says slice, where I'm hovering. You're going to click on it. Okay, so now that it's sliced, gonna look like nothing happened, but I'm gonna delete that circle. I'm going to delete this one here, and this one here is what I'm gonna use. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my 2.25 circle, and I'm going to ensure that it is in the center. Okay, that looks good. You could also always center horizontally. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to click on my circle and I'm gonna create an offset. So you go where it says effects, right at the top where I'm hovering, you're going to click on offset, and you're going to create an offset that is 0.225 because you want this button to be at 0.27 at the end of it. I'm gonna click on it. Now that's okay. I'm gonna change it to the same color, right? Let me change it to white. I'm also going to change that circle to white. It's gonna look like nothing happened, but okay. See that? Now this is what you're going to have, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select everything and I'm going to flatten. So I'm gonna go down where it says flatten, where I'm hovering, and I'm gonna flatten it. So now this is what you are going to have. If you realize the size is 2.7, that's what we want because we're making a 2.25 button. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to press, you could duplicate the amount that you need. So I'm gonna do around 18 of them. Okay, so they're asking me to, for copies, I'm gonna put 18. Gonna press apply. That when I put 18 copies, it puts the 18 copies on 3 different sheets. Now I'm gonna press continue, and then I'm gonna say send to printer. I'm gonna press next, and then I'm gonna choose the printer that I wanted to print. I'm going to use system dialog, and I'm going to print on glossy photo paper, and I'm also going to use best. I'm gonna use the best setting. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the screen because my printer is not loading because of the network. So you're going to use system dialog, then you're going to go to preferences. After you go to preferences, you are going to choose glossy photo paper, and then you are going to use best. All right, so I'll show you what it looks like when it cuts out. Okay, so these are the pieces you're going to need. You're going to need the cover. You're going to need the piece that you cut out. And then you're going to need the transparent film and the back of the button. So what you're going to do, inside A, you're going to put the cover down, and then you're going to put the paper over. I like to make it straight, and then you're going to put the plastic film over it. Then you're going to push it underneath and press down until you hear a clamp. When you take it out, you're going to see that it's gone. Now, on the other side, I turn it the other side so you could see. The B side, you're going to put this one down. Ensure that the black thing is inside if you're using this size. You're going to put it down like this. You're going to push it in. Then you're just going to clamp it down. And there you have it, guys. Your button is made. See that? How easy that is? Came out absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest that I have to do. Okay guys, I hope this video was beneficial. The buttons, they came out absolutely beautiful. I had fun making these, and this is gonna be an excellent project to work with my children. We can make many different sizes. All right, let me know what you think. Okay guys, I know that you have enjoyed that tutorial. Now my ask is that you use the link in the description box if you are interested in getting this amazing button maker. I'm gonna put that link where you'll be able to find it, and I'm also gonna put the link of all the things that I've used in this video. Until we meet again, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.